I'm in Otay Mesa, California, which is basically San Diego. I'm like right on the border. Like literally the Mexican border is like right beyond that highway and a couple roads. Yeah. Anyway. That's the 902 freeway, I think, right there. That's the 905. Okay, that's the 905 freeway right there. And those hills back there, you probably see, that's Mexico. The border's like freaking right there. And I just walked outside this Pilot truck stop. I got my, not breakfast, but dinner. And as soon as I walk outside, there's this big, what was a F-16 fighter jet that came flying down. There's an airport right there, right behind the Pilot here. Here comes another one. You can hear them probably. Yeah, there's a bunch of F-16 fighter jets that keep flying around here. As I was walking outside the Pilot, an F-16 just came landing. I mean, it was fucking loud. Like, I mean, holy shit! I wish I could have got it on video. But I think I'll get this. There's one circling around here. I think I'll get this one on video. There's an F-16 fighter jet flying around here. Man, these fuckers are loud too. Holy shit. I told you. I told you. Told it was loud. That was fucking cool. Do you see how low that fucking thing was? Oh my god. Man, I could touch that damn thing. It was so damn low. Holy shit, that thing was low. Son of a bitch. That thing was fucking low. I'm going across the street here. Now that was so real. That was so real. That was fucking biblical. Yeah. I mean, shit, you see how low that fucker was? Damn. I mean, I thought he was gonna... His tires were like touching the damn roof of the truck stop. Anyway. California 905, okay. I'm telling you, yeah, there's an airport like right there. I'm not sure if it's military or what. Anyway. You gotta admit that was fucking cool. Anyway. You gotta admit that was cool. You see how low it was? Oh my god, I can't believe how low it was. Anyway, more videos coming soon.